You can run the LoyalZoo software on a computer, tablet, or smartphone by either installing LoyalZoo for Business on your device or by heading to store.loyalzoo.com in a web browser. Firstly, create a customer by typing their name inside the search box and tapping the Create Customer button. Add the customer's email, making sure it's unique. Once the customer is set up with a subscription, automatic payment receipts will be sent to the customer's email address. You can now set up a recurring payment in the Set Recurring Payment section before taking the customer's payment card. You can either free type an amount you would like to charge the customer or select any pre-existing memberships you have set up in the LoyalZoo dashboard. If you would like to charge the first payment today, tap the Charge button. If you would like to schedule the first payment, select the Scheduling Options drop-down menu, optionally selecting a future charge date and/or duration. You can now obtain the customer's card details in one of two ways. Tap the Request Payment Card button, and this will send a secure payment link to your customer in SMS or email, where they can enter their own card details at home or while waiting in line. Or you can tap the Enter Payment Card button and type the customer's card details manually. Once an active payment card is accepted, it will be stored on the customer's profile, and if a membership is already set up for the customer, it will automatically activate based on the conditions you have set up in their profile. The active payment card will be indicated by a green card icon in the customer's profile, along with the last 4 digits of the card. After storing a card on file for the customer, you'll be able to set up multiple memberships for a customer by tapping on the Set Recurring Payment button, and any extra memberships will also show in the customer's profile. You'll also be able to take one-time payments using the One-Time Payment section. Note that when you add a customer's payment card, it will be pre-authorized to ensure it's chargeable for all future payments. A pre-authorization is not a charge to the customer, but authorizes that the card has sufficient funds to cover future transactions. After a membership becomes active, you'll be able to pause, edit, or stop the membership using the appropriate buttons next to each active membership. We recommend using a waiver to prevent any discrepancies or chargebacks. You can either use a digital or paper waiver. For any declined payments, we will automatically email you with the details of the declined payment and any action required. You'll also find all declined and successful payment transactions in the transactions history of the customer profile. To track used membership benefits, tap the pre-configured counters. These will only appear on a customer's profile if they have an active subscription, which is indicated by having a yellow dollar icon displayed in the customer's profile, along with the active membership details. For any further questions, contact us on our chat system.